Usap-usapan ngayon sa social media ang pagkadawit kay Ivana Alawi sa reklamo ni Dominic, Nikki, Benitez laban sa asawang si Alberto, Albi, Benitez. Si Albi ay bagong halal na Bacolod City Congressman at isang kilalang independent producer ng TV shows. Kumalat online ang sworn complaint affidavit ni Nikki na umaakusa kay Albi ng infidelity o pakikiapid. Sa laysay ni Nikki, dati nang nakarating sa kanya ang bali-balitang may kalaguyo ang mister, ngunit ipinagsawalang bahala raw niya iyon dahil wala siyang sapat na basehan. Hanggang sa maghain daw si Albi ng petition for declaration of nullity of marriage. Dito na rin daw nabasa ni Nikki ang pag-amin ni Albi na nagkaroon ito ng 2 anak sa ibang babae habang sila ay mag-asawa. Nakasaad din daw sa petition ni Albi ang ani ni Nikki, implied admissions of his current illicit relationship with Ivana Alawi. Sabi pa ni Nikki, dito rin daw niya nakumpirmang mayroong ibang babae ang asawa. Labis daw nadurog si Nikki at dumanas ng mental or emotional anguish, dahilan para sampahan ang mister ng reklamong paglabag sa Republic Act 9262, o Violence Against Women and Their Children, VAWC. Mababasa sa complaint affidavit ni Nikki, published as is, while I heard rumors of respondents' infidelity early on, I had no proof of such facts. It was only when I received the petition for declaration of nullity of marriage filed by respondent and after reading the admission of respondent of having fathered 2 illegitimate children, and his implied admissions of his current illicit relationship with Ivana Alawi, that I was able to confirm his marital infidelity. I felt utterly betrayed by the respondent and was devastated beyond compare after finally discovering and confirming the truth in respondent's lies. Matatandaan na nagsalita na si Ivana noon at mabilis naman itong itinanggi ni Ivana nang maglabas siya ng pahayag sa kanyang Facebook account noong February 10, 2024. Napilitan umano siyang magsalita dahil nadadamay ang mga mahal niya sa buhay, partikular na ang ina at nakababatang kapatid na si Mona. Saad noon ni Ivana, "There are posts and issues involving my name. I tried to stay quiet at dumedma na lang dahil sa paniniwala ko na hindi ako dapat magsalita lalo kapag alam ko na wala akong ginagawang masama. But because of the false accusations and hurtful words that are being thrown to my mom and Mona, kinailangan ko nang linawin ang mga bagay." Diin noon ni Ivana, wala silang espesyal na ugnayan ni Benitez. Totoo raw na may dinidate siya, ngunit hindi ito politician kundi isang businessman. Ani Ivana, published as is, caps provided, this will be the first and last time na magsasalita ako tungkol dito.